Okay, so we are going to figure out how to fill in this table, and we're looking for the triangle inequality theorem. So I'm going to use this PowerPoint to do that. And so let me get started. So you'll fill in the shorts, middle, and long side, and I'm just going to have to power through this because I won't be able to see it. So here we go. Let's look at this PowerPoint here and see if I can get it to play. All right, here we go. So write down the side lengths 2, 3, and 6 in your table. Can they make a triangle with 2, 3, and 6? Well, let's see. So there's 2, 3, and here's 6. I'm going to see if those can come in and make a triangle. Watch what happens on the sides, and it goes all the way, and it can't hit. Like it's too short. So no, that does not make a triangle. So here's your next row for your table, 2, 4, and 5. Pause, write those down. Let's see, here's a 4 inches side, here's the 2 inches side, and down here's the 5. Let's see if they can make a triangle. And they come in and, yes, good, they hit together, so they do make a triangle. So let's keep track of that. Circle yes, they make a triangle. So now let's try the next row, 3, 4, and 8. So here's 3, here's 4, here's 8. So make a conjecture now. What do you think? Do you think this will make a triangle? Circle yes or no. All right, let's see if it does. Here we go. Oh, no, they don't meet. They're too short. Okay, so pause the video now and see if you can figure out why did that first one not work, the second one did work, and the third one did not work. See if you can figure that out, okay? All right, now let's try this one. Write down 2, 2, and 5. What do you think? Do you think 2, 2, and 5 will work? Let's see. Well, no, it doesn't work. Now, why is that? Well, that's because those two sides, the 2 and 2, it's like they're too short. They're not long enough to come together to make 5. So let's try 4, 5, and 8. So there's 5, there's 4, and there's 8. Well, does this make a triangle? Yes, it does. Now, why is that? Well, the 4 and 5, if I put them together, 4 plus 5, that's more than 8. So when you try to connect them, they're not going to be able to hit at 8. They're going to be, they're more than that. So they actually hit before they get down to 8. So since 4 plus 5 is more than 8, it makes a triangle. Well, 4, 4, and 6. 4, 4, and 6. Let's see. 4 plus 4 is 8. So this should make a triangle. Why? Because the two sides together, when you add them together, are more than the other side. Let's try this one. 4, 4, and 8. Well, now 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's see if when the two sides added together equals the third side. Will that make a triangle? No, it didn't. So that tells me that, again, because 4 plus 4 is not more than 8, it doesn't work. So in order for this to work, in a triangle, the two other sides are always longer than the third side. So if I add the two sides of the triangle, path A is the two sides of the triangle combined. They're always longer than path B, which is the third side. So two sides of the triangle added together are always greater than the third side. So that is a triangle inequality theorem. Two sides of a triangle are always greater than the third side. All right, thanks for watching.